it's Regan, and today we're gonna boil eggs. Now, the ingredients you need is very simple to get out. You need some eggs, a pot, fill it up with the water, and you also need a lid. And open the eggs and carefully place them into the pot. Turn up the heat all the way to high. Then put the lid on. In about 5 minutes, it will start boiling. While you're waiting for the eggs to boil, fill up a bowl with ice water and try to ignore the towel behind me. Okay. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Put each egg in the ice cold water. The ice has melted. They are all in. I'm going to taste it. It's not that bad. Oh.
You want it?
Don't do that. That squish my egg. It'll make it worse. I'm sorry. Wow, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I did. Yeah, I'm gonna actually eat. Oh. Good. Very excellent. And Easter themed. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. And if you like it, because I said I hope you like it, then you like it. The end. Bye. Bloopers. Today. Boring. Turn down the heat. I think it's exploding. All gone. Okay. I'm wet. I need a dryer. Towel. Paper towel.
Keep that handy. You might need it again.
Okay.
So, recording.
Okay, ow.
What do you do?
Turn down the heat. Once it's where?
Once it starts boiling, turn down the heat.
That's really exploding. Bye. And action. Okay, so yeah, bye. See you next time. And I hope you like this video.
Bye. See you next time.
Lydia, I'm gonna give that.
This is Cooking with Regan.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to. I'm sorry. Cut. Everyone cut.